Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to split screen on Android phone. So to do that, let's head over to app first. So I'm going to Grok. So I'm just tapping on here's the one of just suppose here's the one of the app you want to use, and then access the recent app screen by tapping the tabs icon. So after that, tap on the icon of the app you want to use in split screen. So if this icon or this icon, so I want to use this app on split screen, and if you tap on it you will find this open in split screen view. So tap on it, and as you can see I'm selecting the app I want to use, the Grok. So yeah, this is how you can use the split screen view. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.